the solution to this example, first thing we have to figure out is why this is not showing as a number. So if I highlight that, you can see nothing's been added. So for some reason Excel is not seeing as a number. Now the first thing you may notice is that there's a little apostrophe here. So if we somehow got rid of it, but you can see nothing has happened. So let's get rid of the comma and this one, and you'll see that already looks better. And just as a test, when I highlight them, at least the first one gets done. So let's just, so what we're going to do here, first thing we're going to do is remove the comma. So the function we're going to use is the substitute function. And what we're going to say is, please Excel, look over here for the text, the old text, in inverted commas I'm going to put a comma. The new text is nothing, we're going to replace it with nothing. So just two inverted commas next to each other. And in this case we wanted to replace all of them, so when there's two, both of them get replaced. So when I say OK, so the first part is done, but you'll notice that even here, even though it looks more like a number, it's still only counting. So either in here or in a separate cell, we're going to now use the value function and point at that over there, and immediately you'll see that this number with inverted commas will now just become a number, and you'll see now we can get an average.